Hello guys, welcome to the 24 Forex trading channel. Today's video we're going to talk about a strategy that has proven to work and bring out maximum profits in the Forex market. This strategy works best with volatilities and currencies and stocks as well, but it works best with volatility. Alright, so without wasting my time, let's get to it. Alright, so before we get into the strategy, what I want to say is that before you trade, you should check the higher time frames to predict, to know the trend of the market. So anytime I want to trade, or as a beginner, as soon as you open your trading platform, the first thing is to check the trend of the market. So I mostly use the 1 hour time frame. Now looking at the 1 hour time frame, you could see that price is in a downtrend. You could see that price is in a downtrend. Okay, you could see that looking at the 1 hour time frame, price is in a downtrend. So knowing that is perfect. Okay, knowing this is like 20%. You've won 20%. All right. So now that you know that the market is in a downtrend in the 1 hour chart, you can confirm with the 4 hour chart. Okay, 4 hour chart, you can see that the market is in a downtrend. Okay, all right. So now we head back to the 15-minute time frame and we click this sign, the F sign. Okay, this F sign. We click this F sign. Now pay attention right here, because here is where the magic happens. So we click this main window and we look for stochastic oscillator. All right, so here's the stochastic oscillator. Now look, the K period is 1, the D period is 1, slowing 1, price field is low slash high. The method is simple. All right, and the levels are 20, 80, and 50. Okay, so 20 is buy, 80 is sell, and 50 is take profit. But I'm not going to do anything, so let's go. All right, so here's it. I forgot to say something. Now looking at the stochastic oscillator, you can see the main signal is white and the main is white and the signal is white. I made it white because of my background. So if your background is black, the color should be black. All right, so we have our stochastic oscillator here. The next thing is we click this F sign again and we go to the indicator window 1, not the main window, indicator window 1, and we look for moving average. Okay, moving average. Now we set the period to 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and I'll choose the color black. You can choose any color of your choice and we click done. All right, so the moving average is done. You can pause the video if you didn't get the digits are inputted in the moving average. You can pause the video to get the digits. All right, so our moving average is done. Now we click the F sign again. We go to indicator window 1, and we click on moving average. Okay, now the period for this moving average is 50, shift 0, method. Pay attention here. The method for the 50 moving average is linear weighted. Okay, apply to close, and I'll choose the color red. Okay, you can choose any color of your choice. Now we click done. All right, so this is how the chart will look like. Okay, this is how the chart will look like. All right, so what you want to do is that you want to look for the trend of the market, as I said earlier on. All right, so looking at this, you wait for the 50 moving average to enter the 20 zone, which is the buy zone, as well as the 10 moving average. You wait for the two moving averages to cross at the buy zone, and as soon as it crosses at the buy zone, you take a buy. Now before that, you should make sure that you are on maximum zoom out. Okay, This strategy works best on the 15-minute time frame and the 1 hour time frame, and you should make sure you are on maximum zoom out. Okay, now this is the maximum zoom in. You should make sure you're in the maximum zoom out. Okay, all right, now let's get to it. So you can see that here the market is in an uptrend. Okay, the market is in an uptrend. The market moves in zigzag. It doesn't move straight forward. It moves up, creates lower highs, creates higher highs, lower highs, and so on. So you can see the market is in an uptrend. And right now you can see the 20 the 50 moving average and the 10 moving average crossed here, indicating a buy. Okay, indicating a buy here, indicating a buy here, right here in this zone. So if you I think this was around 1st January. I got into this trade around 1st January. Yeah, so I was able to catch the market. So right here it's a buy. So if you're able to enter this trade right here, you see your stop loss will be somewhere below this candle right here, and you ride the market to profit. You ride the market to profit. Now you can see the market shot up, created lower highs, shot up, and then came here. All right. So this is where price action comes in. You can see the this touches. Okay, the triple touches. When you see something like this, it indicates a sell. Okay, so here is the first touch, second touch, and the third touch. Okay, if you see this in an uptrend, it indicates a sell. All right, so that's the first confirmation. Now when you look down here, you could see that the moving averages gave a confirmation here. You can see a sell, a sell, and a sell. This is a strong signal. Okay, a sell, and a sell. All right, now when this happens, you want to make sure you check your higher time frame, that is the 1 hour, to confirm. Okay, you have to check the 1 hour time frame to confirm if the market is in an uptrend. Okay, if the market is in an uptrend, or if the market if you check the 1 hour time frame and the market is not at the sell zone, which is above this 80, and when you and the 15 minutes time frame is indicating a sell signal, ignore it. Okay, listen to me again. If you check the 1 hour time frame and the the 10 moving average and the 50 moving average in the 1 hour time frame is not in this zone, which is the 80 zone, and the 15 minutes time frame is indicating or giving a signal to sell, ignore it. Okay, now this is my reason. We have institutions who trade as well, and what they do is that they manipulate the markets so that we retail traders get kicked out. Okay, they want to kick us out and earn more profit, so they manipulate the market. And if you don't want to lose your money, listen to what I'm saying. When you check the 1 hour time frame and 50 moving average and the 10 moving average is not at the 80 zone, and the 15 moving average is indicating the sell, do not sell. Okay, all right, now with that in mind, you can see that this sell, okay, started on the 8th January. All right, so we'll go to the 1 hour time frame to confirm if it was a good signal. Right here was, I think, 8th January, and you could see that in the 1 hour time frame it also indicated what? A sell. All right, so this is the best signal ever. All right, what you have to do is to confirm the signal from the higher time frame, and when you do that, you are not going to lose. You are not going to lose, or you're not going to blow your account. Okay, Now, a lot of people are paying money for this strategy, but I've decided to give it out freely. Okay, I've decided to give it out freely. So try and backtest this strategy on your demo account. If it works best on volatility pairs and stocks as well. I decided to try it on currencies, but it wasn't 100%. But if you listen to what I've said, it will work perfectly for you. First, confirm the signal from the 1 hour time frame and confirm the second signal from the 15 minutes time frame before taking the trade. Now I'll repeat myself again. If the 10 moving average and the 15 moving average is not in the 80 zone and you get a signal to sell in the in the 15 minutes time frame, kindly ignore. All right, so if you enjoy content like this, kindly hit the subscribe button. I'll be posting more and more on this new channel. Kindly join our community and let's grow together. I'll be sharing more and more strategies to help you grow your account. All right, thank you for watching this video to the end. God bless you.